I thought about giving up everything I own and then moving out. I'm a prisoner in this home, I keep my curtains shut, sabotage everything I love for a temporary feeling that only left me numb. Down. Some days I'm a kamikaze. There's no way you can fucking stop me. I can't look back when the memories look like that. I took the blade out of my pocket, cut the strings that were attached. I'm bad and they say that the good die last, but hesitation is the enemy. I guess this is the end of me. Goddamn, I just got some bad news. I lost some more friends, got the names tattooed. I take my 45, point it right at you, cause you can't take nothing away from me. I got nothing